Meet the APEX 4000, bigger and built for more powerful cooling in large spaces, delivering up to 30 degrees cooler air. Engineered to cool up to 4,000 square feet with 13,250 cubic feet per minute of airflow, delivering a high-velocity breeze that can reach up to 50 feet. It stays impressively quiet at just 62 decibels, so powerful cooling does not have to overpower the space. And with 25-mile-per-hour air velocity, the APEX 4000 is built to push cooling across larger environments with confidence. Portacool's proprietary evaporative media design improves water absorption, increases evaporation, and enhances airflow and velocity for more efficient cooling performance. With CoolSync technology, control the unit over Wi-Fi right from your phone, including fan speed, scheduling, water levels, and even managing multiple units. Smart water management keeps operations smooth with digital water level indicators and performance alerts, plus fast refills through the hatch or a continuous 3/4-inch hose connection backed by a 55-gallon reservoir for longer runtime. Built to move and built to last, with built-in handles, durable wheels, lightweight housing, and a smart rear layout that keeps hose and power connections tucked away. Plus an industry-leading warranty, including a lifetime warranty on the rotational molded housing. From warehouses and industrial facilities to event venues, construction work sites, and sports sidelines, the APEX 4000 delivers serious cooling wherever you need it.